Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Mrs. Sailor. Are you ready to take a reading adventure? Today, we're going to go on a high-frequency word adventure. Let's go. Hi, boys and girls. For today's adventure, we're going to talk about our new high-frequency words. As a reminder, you cannot sound out high-frequency words. You need to be able to read them when you see them right away. Let's take a look at our list. Repeat after me. All, here, my, does, me, who. Great job, boys and girls. Our first word today is all. Repeat after me. A-L-L, the word is all. What's the word? Say it again. All. Great job. Let's practice writing. You're going to skywrite the letters while I write them here. Remember to say each letter as you make it. Here we go. A, L, L, all. Great job. Our next word is does. Repeat after me. D-O-E-S. What's the word? Say it again. Does. Great job. Let's write it. D O E S. Does. Good job, boys and girls. Next, we have the word here. Repeat after me. H-E-R-E. What's the word? Say it again. Here. Let's write. H-E-R-E. Here. Awesome job. Our next word is me. Repeat after me. M-E, the word is me. What's the word? Say it again. Me. Let's write it. M-E, me. Great job. Next, we have the word my. Let's take a look here. My looks very close to me. They both have two letters, and they both start with M. But be careful, because my is spelled differently. Repeat after me. M-Y, the word is my. What's the word? Say it again. Great job. Let's practice writing. M-Y, my. Awesome job. Our last high frequency word is who. Repeat after me. W-H-O. The word is who. What's the word? Say it again. Let's write it. W-H-O. Who. You did an awesome job today, boys and girls. Remember to practice your high frequency words a little each day. I'll see you next time.